Have you ever wondered how people edit their video and have sounds like this? It's very easy to edit. Please, if you are new on this channel, make a subscribe and let's go. First of all, I'm using InShot app to edit these videos. Wanatumia InShot. So, kitu ya kwanza natumia InShot ama Video Maker. So for example, mimi huwa natumia Video Maker sababu ni rahisi. So nafinya new project here to create a video, any new project, the video that I created before, that there. Then I have some videos. There's some videos here. I have some videos. Let me check it. It's very easy, guys. So I'm going to use this. I'm going to use. Let me see which one is the best. Some of them have copyright, so I'm just looking which one is the best. Okay, like let's say this one. On this video, let me check how is it.
For my quick question, what's your gender? Women.
On this video, I'm gonna show you how we can edit sound and make sounds like laughing sound and any others.
For my quick question,
let's start with the beginning video. I'm gonna show you which sound I can extract and use it for making a laugh sound. Like there's the one I downloaded like this. Can extract it. So you can extract, if it's a video, you can extract it and add to the video. So like this sound, this is how it behave. I touched the music, then this.
For my quick question,
Let's listen to this. I can mute this video sound first and listen. I extracted which sound that I extracted before. Let me. Okay. So I want us to listen this. So okay. That's the sound that I edited. I added on the video. That is it. So I can unmute the video and make the video's volume to 100.
For my quick question, what's your gender? Women.
Okay. Then adding sounds, music sound like that.
Body counting 147. 147.
Okay. So if you wanted like adding music can touch sounds. You can touch sounds, or you can extract. If it's video, if you have sound on your music, I don't want to play this because of copyright. If you want sounds, if sounds are on your music, you can extract it there and take it there. But if your sounds are on videos, you can extract here. Unaweza ukaextract hapo kama sound zako ni kwa videos na ukaweka. So ukiextract na kupeleka kwa video direct like this. Okay, let me just I don't want to take any other. Naweza nikachukua tu video yoyote tu. And I'm just showing you how I can edit it. Jesus. But you can put it where necessary. You can make it anywhere, but you can put it where necessary. Okay, you can drag it. If you want the sound to start somewhere, you can drag it like me. Okay, let's see where the video has reaction.
Wacha nikwambie bright. Sasa nauliza tu maswali ya ujinga.
Let's listen to this. Like that part. Let's listen.
Women.
In that women, I want to add up their sound. Deserves. Okay. Their part.
Women. Counting happy. 147. 147.
That is it, my guys. If you are new on this channel, you can subscribe. I can teach you more. Even in Kiswahili or English, I can teach you more about these ones, about editing or any other. You can comment there what I can teach you again and again. That's great. Goodbye. That's why I'm showing that it's very easy and simple. If you are new on this channel, please make a subscribe, and even you can share the video and like it. Thank you. Even you can comment down what I can teach you.